back once again. Now in today's tutorial, I really want to show you how best you can properly dimension your isometric drawing after you are done. Now notice AutoCAD doesn't give a correct way, or it doesn't have a correct format of dimensioning isometric drawings, so you will have to use some method to be able to dimension every object that you have drawn in isometric. So I will just teach you how best you can do it the proper way. Okay, so let's take this object as an example. So let's assume we are done drawing this and we want to properly dimension in the isometric angle. How do we do that? Now you can't just use the normal dimension, like example linear, and you just dimension. No, you see, it will not work, because in isometric drawing we are drawing in different angles, which is 30 degrees. So we have to find a proper way to do it. Okay, so before I start, let me just increase my letters. Let me just set it to 5, and then the arrow as well, so that you can see it clearly. Alright, so for you to dimension an object like this, first of all, you just have to go to, you can start from annotate. When you go to annotate, you see dimension over here, and then just click the arrow down, and then you select this oblique. Okay, and then you can just start dimensioning. So if you don't want to go that way also, you can just, if you look at the annotation tab over here, you can just click down here and then you select align. Okay, so let's first start with the align method, and then later on I'll show you what to do. So click on the align, and let's start from this end to this end. Okay, so it's showing 40. Now you can see the angle is different from the normal one, so don't worry, you just click and go for align again, click this end, and then this end also you can see it's different, don't worry. Now go for align again, click here, click here, that is 70. Now let's go for align once more, the dimension here and here. Let's dimension here. Now let's go for align for this side 50. Okay, and then this side as well, which is 67. all right, so if you watch, we are done, but it's not in line with the drawing as we want it. So how do we do it? So to do that is very simple. We are going to use, that is what I showed you, go to annotate, and then you click down here, you can use the oblique, see oblique, and you click on it, or you can just type in dim edits. When you type in dim edit and then you press enter, now when you press enter, you see a command will come down here. Now you select oblique. Okay, so when you select oblique, it will ask you to select object. So let's assume it is this object, this dimension we want to correct. So click. Now after you click, you would have to press enter. After pressing enter, now it will ask you to enter the angle. You can enter the angle manually, but there's a simple way to do it, which you will not enter. So let's assume I want this 90 to be in line with this line. Okay, I want this line to be in line with this. So what I'll do is, after you press enter, you just click anywhere on this line, and then drag and then click again. You see, it will surely be in line with it. Also, if you don't want it in this way and you want to be in line vertically, let's do that one also. So assuming we don't want it this way, we want it to go vertically down, also type in dim edits, press enter, select oblique, click on the dimension, now press enter. Now when you press enter, now I want this line to be vertical. with this line. So just click anywhere on this line and click again. See, it vertically goes down. All right, so let's leave it like that. So now let's come here, also type in dim edit, or just go to the annotate dimension, select oblique and then oblique. Now select objects, I'll select this, press enter. Now I want this one to be in line with this line. I want this particular line to be aligned with this. Okay, so I can just click anywhere and then you see it will be in line with it. Okay, so let's continue from here. So dim edit again, select oblique. Now select objects and press enter. Now after pressing enter, it will ask you to enter the angle. Now I want this line to be in line with this. Okay, I want it to go vertically, so you can just click even here and just here. See, you see it will just be in line. All right, so let's come here as well. So dim edit again, select oblique. Now you have to select the dimension, which is this, press enter. Now let's assume I want this one to be in line with this line, so just click anywhere, yeah, and you see it's aligned with this line. So let's go to the back here, dim edit oblique, select this one, press enter. I want this one to be aligned with this line, so click anywhere here and click, you see. All right, let's try this one also. Dim edit, select your oblique. Now you select this, so assuming we want it to be aligned with this, just click anywhere and then you see you have it. All right, so with this, let's see how we can also dimension a circle and a radius. Example, let's use this arc over here as an example. So if I want to dimension this circle, you can't also use this radius or diameter here. See, it will not work. You see what I'm said? Object selected is not a circle or arc, so which means this is not a circle. So to do that is very simple. You can use the align for a circle. So let's try the align. Select align. Now bring the cursor to the center of the circle, and you see this tracking line is always help us. So I can click the end here, the quadrant, and then bring it here and click the quadrant here and have it. So also you see the angle is different, so let's just leave it like this. Okay, now to correct it also the same procedure, dim edit, press enter, select oblique, select the dimension, now press enter. Now which direction do you want it to go? I want it to be aligned with this, so you see, and we have the object wall dimension. Let me drag it down a bit. Okay, let me move up a little bit. All right, so you see for a circle. And if you also want to give a radius, let's assume you want to dimension this arc here with radius. That's one also. You can't use this radius over here, it won't work. Let's try it. See, it's not a circular arc. So how do we do it then? So to do that, we will go to the annotation tab and then select this leader. You see a leader here, click on the leader. Now select on the arc and just drag and then click where you want to put it and then enter R for radius, and the radius for this is 10, so just enter 10. According to my drawing it was 10. Okay, and then you just close it. Good, so you see it's showing. So let's assume you want to also do the same thing over here by using the diameter symbol. So to do that, just go to the leader, select the leader, click this. Let's assume I want to dimension this in diameter. So when I do that, just come here, come to symbol, and then you select the diameter symbol over here. Okay, the diameter is 40. Yeah, enter 40, and then you can close it. So this is how you can draw, or you can dimension the object appropriately in AutoCAD in isometric drawing. So please, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you like it as well, and share. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below, and then I'll attend to it. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.